Are you looking for the best mechanical keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best mechanical keyboards the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Keychron Q6. The best all-around mechanical keyboard we've tested is the Keychron Q6. This keyboard delivers high-quality construction and top-of-the-line typing quality right out of the box. It has a gasket-mounted design, which means the interior components are all held between shock-absorbing rubber pieces. This design helps provide a softer, slightly cushioned typing experience without the abrupt sensation of bottoming out your keypresses. There are also a pair of sound-dampening foam layers sandwiched inside, which soften the ping and rattle from the switches and stabilizers, making for a surprisingly smooth and pleasant-sounding typing experience. We've named the Keychron Q6 the best full-size mechanical keyboard we've tested. Still, this keyboard is part of a wider Q series lineup with various sizes and layouts available. Each entry in the series offers virtually the same experience, so it boils down to the most comfortable and appealing size. If you're a programmer or typist, check out the more compact Keychron Q3. Or, if you're interested in an ergonomic forward design, you may like the split-key layout of the Keychron Q8. Each keyboard in this premium lineup is also designed to be fully customizable and includes a small toolkit and impressively thorough instruction materials to walk you through it. You can fully deconstruct your keyboard and replace switches, sound dampening material, stabilizers, or keycaps if you crave a more personalized keyboard experience. Number 2. Razer ProType Ultra. For a less expensive option at an upper mid-range price point, we recommend the Razer ProType Ultra. This keyboard has a straightforward but refined design that blends well into an office or home environment. While it doesn't offer the same degree of customizability or high-end, cushioned gasket mount design as our top pick, the Razer provides some features the Keychron doesn't. For starters, this is a wireless model, and you can pair it with up to 3 devices via Bluetooth, which is great news if you rely on a multi-device setup at work or in your home office. It also features 2 incline angles and a plush wrist rest that can greatly affect how your wrists and hands feel at the end of the day. This keyboard's conservative design also hides a surprising gaming performance, making it a great choice for your home setup to get some well-deserved gaming time when you're off the clock. Keep in mind that this keyboard is only available with linear switches. While these switches are quiet and smooth to type on, they don't have that tactile bump some people prefer. If that's important to you, check out the Logitech G715, which is typically a bit more expensive but has a similar look and a wider selection of switches. It also has a cloud-shaped wrist rest that adds a playful touch to any setup. Number 3. NuPhy Air75. The NuPhy Air75 is an incredible keyboard at a solid mid-range price point. This compact mechanical unit features excellent build quality and a slim, surprisingly ergonomic, and comfortable design, even without a wrist rest. Its low-profile keycaps are also very thin but feel very stable and pleasant to type on, and their low profile ensures you don't have to strain your hands upwards to reach them. This compact keyboard makes a great choice if you're looking for an on-the-go unit or if you find yourself moving workstations throughout the day. With its excellent wireless connectivity options, you don't have to worry about bringing a cable around. You can pair the keyboard with up to 3 devices using Bluetooth or use it with its included USB receiver. Its battery capacity isn't one of its strong suits, so you can expect to charge it somewhere between every couple of days to once a week, depending on your usage. If you like what this keyboard offers but prefer a high-profile option, check out the NuPhy Halo75, part of NuPhy's very similar Halo lineup of keyboards. The Halo 75 offers better overall acoustics and a slightly better typing experience thanks to several layers of silicone dampening material inside the board. However, it isn't as portable as the Air 75 and isn't as comfortable to use without a wrist rest. Number 4. Keychron K10. Other keyboards struggle to match the Keychron K10 for performance at a budget price point. Note that this keyboard is available in a few different configurations. We bought and tested one with full RGB lighting and an aluminum case, but configurations with white-only lighting and a plastic case are less expensive. No matter your configuration, this keyboard comes with your choice of Keychron G Pro switches, which come pre-lubricated from the factory for a smoother key press. The standout feature of this keyboard is the system compatibility and the wireless connectivity. There's a toggle on the top of the board to switch between Windows and Mac OS systems, and the keyboard comes with system-specific keycaps for the modifier keys. You can connect it with up to 3 devices at once using Bluetooth or wired, and the battery life is incredible, allowing you to clock over 200 hours of use on a single charge with the backlighting off. If you don't need a numpad or prefer a more compact option that doesn't take up as much space on your desk, we recommend checking out some of the other keyboards in Keychron's K series. They're different sizes and can be less expensive depending on their configuration, like the 10 keyless, 80%. Keychron K8 or the compact, 65%. Keychron K6. Number 5. Royal Kludge RK61. For an even cheaper option, we recommend the Royal Kludge RK61. This lightweight keyboard has a tiny footprint, making it a great companion for smaller workspaces or use on the go. It's a wireless unit that supports multi-device pairing with up to 3 devices using Bluetooth, so you don't have to worry about cables except when charging. Speaking of charging, this keyboard's major weak point is its battery life, although it can last up to 10 hours before recharging. While this keyboard doesn't offer the same premium feeling build quality as some of the options above, it does have a hot swappable PCB, which means you can pull out the stock switches and replace them with switches you prefer to control how your keyboard feels and sounds. A hot swappable PCB also allows you to easily replace broken or malfunctioning switches without soldering anything, which can increase the lifespan of your keyboard. You can also buy a few different variants of this keyboard with various wireless connectivity options and backlighting colors. These options can help you save money if you don't need RGB lighting or a USB receiver.